Are you ready to learn the easiest CRAW start ever? Do you love beading? Do you have a favorite stitch? Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. How about cubic right angle weave, commonly known as its acronym CRAW? It's actually quite easy to do. It makes a beautiful chain on its own, or it can be used to make more elaborate designs. I'm going to show you a truly unique start method. If you have ever tried this before, you know that the hardest part is just getting started. Once you have the very first unit of cubic right angle weave made, the rest is so easy. But it's that first unit that is the hardest to do. Even the thought of taking these little beads on some string, then somehow turning it into a cube sounds a little crazy. But let me show you my secret start method for a frustration-free CRAW experience that you can start in seconds. For this super easy start, pick out a color of beads that you're going to use to make your CRAW stitch, and then you'll need 4 beads in a separate color. Start with 4 beads in your primary color. And when you bring them down on your thread, you're just going to bring them about 6 inches away from the needle. And then come back through the very first bead. And that pulls them into 1 unit of right angle weave. And this is where you're going to be using your other color by picking one up and coming through the next bead. Just adding the other color through every one of your primaries. You may look at this and think, well, that looks like Pondo stitch, and this is exactly what you want. And then remove the needle from the short end of your thread and put it on the other end of your thread. Starting this way makes it so much easier because you have something solid to hang on to. For each unit of cubic right angle weave, you'll pick up your beads in a pattern of 3 for one side, 2 on the next, then 2 and 1. So you can lay out your beads and it will make it easier as you're beading. Starting with the first 3, your thread is exiting this gold bead here, so needle through the other side of it, pulling those beads into a right angle weave on this side here, turning it in my hand so you ignore this bead here and come through the color that you're using. Now you pick up the 2 and you're going to make another right angle weave section here by coming through this one and back through this one. So now we need to just turn it, skipping this one and coming through here, picking up 2 more. You'll needle back through this one and here. Turning it again, skipping this one, and coming through here. There's just 1 more bead to add to finish this cubic right angle weave section. It's easier if you hold it with your extra color down here. You have 3 of the beads for your right angle weave, so you come up 1, adding 1 more, coming down the side, and come back through this one here. Now needle up this one, the 4 beads here on the top of the cubic right angle weave section are not connected together yet. You need to needle through all of those to connect them. Coming through 1, 2, Now all of these are connected. And here's your cubic right angle weave unit. You don't need these 4 beads anymore. You can just pull them off. Here you go. You have your first unit of cubic right angle weave. Let's make another one, picking up 3 of the beads, coming back through the one that your thread is exiting, then turning it to the next side, stepping into the bead here, picking up 2 more, coming through here, and back through the one where we started. Again, turning it in your hand, step through this one here, 2 more, back through here, and back through the one where you started, turning it in your hand one more time, coming through here. This time you just need to add 1, coming up one side, picking up the 1, coming down the other side, and back through the one where you started, the needle up, and you're here at the end with the 4 seed beads that you need to connect together. Come through all those. Now you can see you have 2 units of cubic right angle weave. And now you can see that you have 2 units of cubic right angle weave together. But that is a nice, quick, easy start. And you can continue making as many as you want. Whatever you do, enjoy, and I hope you have a beautiful day.